This is a boot rack that was so easy to put together. It came with these simple instructions, really easy to work it out. It's got 4 prongs on the front and 4 lower prongs on the back. So you have 4 pairs of boots here that you could put. Great for outside your house. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. This is going to be a great addition to my outdoor. Now, none of those muddy boots are going to come tracking in the house because we're going to leave them out here, which is absolutely fantastic. So great boot design and great boot, and it was really cool. It's got all little pieces and it's got the little rubber feet on the bottom, so it's not going to slip and it's not going to ruin your floor either if you do have it on the inside. Awesome design.